Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SimplyPretty Creations. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 home decor DIYs with you. The first DIY project is a wall hanging mason jar sconce. For this, you'll be needing a chopping board. I got this one from SPAR HYPERMARKET for 99 bucks. This one already has a ring over here for hanging. Then you'll need a cup hook and obviously a mason jar. This one is a repurposed jam bottle. I have a tutorial on this mason jar vase on my channel, which I will link it up here or in the description box. You will be seeing a clear jar in the tutorial, but in this one I poured some white chalk paint and swirled around to coat the inside of this jar. I have marked the point where I want to screw the cup hook, and I'm using a drill to drill the hole. You can also use a nail and a hammer for this step. The second and third DIYs are trash to treasure projects where I'll be making over an old handbag and a rug. I'm going to turn this old tote bag into a magazine holder. I've had this bag with me for the past 15 or 16 years. It's in pretty good shape, only the handles and the top edge of the bag is worn out. So let's get into the project. First, I'm cutting off the handles with a pair of scissors, and then I'm using a craft knife to snip the stitches of the remaining part of the handle. Now I'm going to use the stencil to paint the design onto the bag, and I'm stuffing this bag with a pillow so that the surface of the bag stays firm while I'm stenciling. I'm using some sticky tape to keep the stencil in place. Now I'm going to use this black satin ribbon to cover the top edge of this bag. And I'm just using some hot glue to attach this ribbon. Moving on to the third and final DIY. This is an old cotton rug. I'm going to use this as a base for my jute rug. For this project, you'll be needing lots and lots of jute rope and hot glue sticks, and not to forget a whole lot of patience. I'll be using the back side of this rug for sticking the jute rope. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I did doing this. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing if you like the content and want to see more DIY tutorials. Thank you and bye.